All right, GMC fans, here it is. Truck number 6199, 2024 K3500 Duramax diesel power, 4-wheel drive from the factory, and this thing has liquid ride. If you're going to buy a Type 1, this is what you'd want. $245,500, $100,000 less than original equipment. Remanufactured module from our enterprises with a comparable warranty. This thing is made in America, just in time for the 4th of July, and you could make it red, white, and blue. Our enterprises has full graphics capability, painting as well. New floor, left side attendant seat, squad bench, storage above, behind. Got a pass-through window. New console in the front. All new power distribution quarters. If you have questions or you have an interest in truck number 6199, please call 1-833-REMOUNT or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com.